Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Saif, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Zoho People as a complete beginner to create your own self-services, to organize your team, to do automations, to add integrations, and more. So let's get started. First, you need to create your own account from Access Zoho People. Here,
Zoho People is a comprehensive cloud-based HRMS that provides consolidated HR service.
here you can take a 3-day free trial. And here you are. It will ask you about your organization name. Let's name it Tutorial, Industry, Call Center, for example. This is completely random information. Now let's press update. Already exists, so I will just add L, update, and here we are. So here is your dashboard. Okay, generate data. Here is your dashboard. Here are the services that you can use. If you pressed on them, you will find all the services provided by Zoho People. You can leave tracker, you can use time tracker, attendance, performance, files, organization, travel, announcements, cases, employee engagement, HR letters, onboarding, and you can create your own new service. So since these are too much services, we will not use every one of them. However, they are self-explanatory. So if we use 2 or 3 services, you will be able to navigate to the other services by your own self. So now let's, for example, see the leave tracker. Here, the leave tracker mainly aims to help you to organize and monitor the vacations and the leaves for your team and employees. So here you can access the list view for the leaves. Since you don't have any leaves requests, you will find this as empty. You can also see a calendar view, and you can see if any leave applications has been sent to you by your employees. Now let's return to services and see time tracker. In time tracker, it allows you to monitor your employee performance by assigning a specific task and monitor how they perform this task and how much time it takes them to do this task. So you can select a project, for example, let's say project 1, and the job, let's say maybe job 1 as well. Sorry, I didn't add a project here. Okay, job name, job 1, submit. And here, let's add a project and name it project 1. Then let's select the job we have just created. Sorry, I will recreate it. Submit. Now let's see what are you working on. Tracking performance, for example. And now you can choose whether it's billable or not non-billable. And now by clicking on this timer, it will start counting the time required for the job. And once you are done monitoring the performance, all what you need to do is to just press on the timer again and it will stop. Perfect. Now let's return to the services here. Here you can monitor the attendance for your employees. You can also view it as list view and tabular view and calendar view. Here are the different views. Perfect. Next, you can monitor the performance, monitor files. You can even control your organization from here. You can add an employee. Here are some of preset employees that Zoho People has added to us. By choosing a specific employee, you can see that many options here are enabled. You can delete this employee. You can send a mass update for your employees instead of sending an email for one by one employee. You can mail merge template. You can trigger onboarding. So let's just cancel this. You can also invite user from here. By clicking on this, it will allow you to add an employee. You can just insert all these data which are related to your employee, and once you are done, you can submit, or you can submit a new to create another employee, and so on and so forth. So let's just cancel and check the other services. Here you can check the travel data, announcements, cases, employee engagement, HR letters, onboarding. So basically, these are all services that you can check by yourself, and you will find that it requires data input, normal data input, that after you place it, it will show you the result of your data in some sort of an attractive way that will help you to organize and monitor the performance. Now, if you want to create a new service, you can just click on create new service, name the service, and insert a description and save. So if we navigate it to home, you will find two tabs, which are dashboard and feeds. If we access on dashboard, you will see some insights and summaries that will help you to monitor performance. For example, birthday, it's really supportive if you remembered the birthday of your employees, and it as simple as like something which pushes them forward, because they feel that you are interested in them. You are interested in making them work better. So it's something good to remember about your employees. You can also see new hires, because always new hires need an eye on them. They need a special monitoring, and they need special care. Here you can find favorites. You can add employees to this section. Here you can find quick links, request for approval. So if any employee requires any document or any, let's say, leave or vacation, and he sends it to you, you can see it here, so you can approve or reject. And here you can see the attendance, and you can add notes. For feeds, you can see like posts, which are exactly the same as Facebook. So here you can write a post. You can also manipulate how the text look like. You can even filter the feeds or the posts based on these criteria. You can categorize them, or they are already categorized as status, approvals, cases, feedback, and jobs. Perfect. You can also see announcements from here. For self-service, you can see data which are related to you. You can like about me, skill set, basic information. You can manipulate and control all these data. Here you can also access other tabs like calendar, leave tracker, time tracker, attendance. They are all self-explanatory, and all what you need to do is to just manipulate the data as suitable for your own organization. Here the leave tracker is the same that we accessed from services. Time tracker as well, we accessed it from services. Attendance and the organization already exists. Here you can find all these four: leave tracker, time tracker, attendance, and organization. So you can also press on more, and you will find the same tabs here that we found in all services. So if you do not need any of these tabs, you can just press on customize tab, and you can cancel any of these so that you will not see it in your all services. So that's pretty much it. That's Zoho People and how to learn it in a nutshell. Hope you guys learned from this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.